Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to use automatic locking on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then let's find the settings. So you need to swipe to the left and let's look for the car icon. Here I have this icon. Let's tap settings. Then you've got access to list of all settings in this vehicle. Let's choose here the vehicle section from the top menu and select here open and close, the third option from this section. And as you can see here, you can enable the automatic locking. As you can see, when this is on, the car doors will automatically lock as soon as you reach a certain speed, usually around 15 km/h, to prevent the doors from being opened from the outside while stopped in a traffic. Quite useful. I like this feature enabled, so let me just do it. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.